Hi, this is Scott with microscottpro.com, and I want to first apologize for wearing sunglasses. Normally I wouldn't do that, but as you know, we haven't seen the sun very often in the last month, and so my eyes can't even dilate getting used to this thing, so I apologize again. I won't normally wear these. Today we're going to talk about how you can easily navigate around the new Windows 8. If you've already had a chance to take a look around the new Windows 8, you'll notice an extreme departure from the way that Microsoft normally does their operating system software. Most of the features that we became familiar with in Windows 7 are the same or similar in Windows 8, but accessing them may be a little bit different. You may use Windows 8 using a keyboard or a mouse, or you might even be using it on a touch screen. Here are a few useful tips to help you get around in the new Windows 8. When you first turn on your computer, it takes you to the sign-in screen.
This is where you will enter your password to advance to the Start screen. Once you are on the Start screen, you will see assorted tiles. These tiles are merely shortcuts to applications, folders, people, websites, and more. You can move these tiles around to suit your preference, and you can also resize them.
Some tiles, like the weather tile, provide important information, instantly displaying it on the tile itself without even having to open it up.
It displays the high and low temperatures, and it also displays the current temperature. It's a balmy 15 degrees this morning. Similarly, on the Mail tile, it shows how many new emails have arrived in my inbox. So I've got 3 waiting for me right now. You can turn this feature on or off by right-clicking your chosen tile and selecting either Turn Live Tile On or Off. If there is information that can be updated and displayed, you'll see it on the front of the tile. If not, it will just show the name.
These dynamic tiles give you a quick glance at succinct information you find important. Perhaps, though, you don't see the app you need located in the tiles that were loaded with Windows 8. Go ahead and go to your Start screen.
From the Start screen, you can browse a list of all apps by moving your cursor to the lower right corner, right-clicking, and then selecting All Apps. You can use the scroll bar at the bottom to move back and forth through the menu, or you can use the middle of your scroll wheel on your mouse and it'll do the same thing. See that?
And if I might suggest a helpful tile that you should have on your Start screen,
it's called the Desktop tile. Go ahead and find your Desktop tile, right-click it, and make sure if it says Pin to Start down below here, then go ahead and click it so it'll pin it to your Start screen. Most of the time the tile will already be on the Start screen, but if it isn't, just go ahead and put it on there. And I'll show you another little shortcut. On your keyboard is what's called the Windows logo key, and it looks like this. Go ahead and push that once. You'll notice that it immediately takes you back to the Start screen. If I hit it again, it's going to take me back to my desktop. Now it remembers where you're at, so if I had an application that I was in and I hit the logos key and I went there, it would take me back to wherever I was before this. Remember to use the Windows logo key. It works out quite well to get you around. Now you'll notice that I've already got my desktop tile here. But all you need to do is click on it and hold it, and you can move it around. Now scroll all the way down to your menu down here, and you'll probably notice that your desktop tile was put at the end. So go ahead, I'll move my reader tile, you move your desktop tile, and you just click, hold, and bring it over here, and your screen should just automatically move. And then put it where you can see it when you first go to your start screen. The reason why we want to put it here is so that we're not always having to scroll to the right, because this desktop tile is something that you're going to use often too. Now you'll notice when you click the desktop tile, it takes you to a desktop that is almost exactly the same as the Windows 7 desktop, except it's missing the Start button. This in essence is the Windows 7 desktop.
Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, you can always contact me at scott@microscottpro.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Be sure to watch my webcast titled The Familiar Control Panel is a great place to start, and that'll help you learn a lot more about Windows 8. My name is Scott Lindsay for microscottpro.com. Wishing you happy computing.